So, I guess you're going to be a pilot, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Have you been the pilot here before?
Yeah.
Right? Which one do you want to do? Side to side or up and down?
Yeah, I can do side.
Side to side? Alright. So cool. So don't crash us, and remember to press all your flashing green buttons, okay?
Alright.
Cool. Yeah, flashing green buttons, don't crash. And down the hallway, goodbye. Welcome in.
Right down that way, right down there, just ignore me like my wife does, and you'll be good to go.
Oh? Oh, bear.
Welcome, my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding.
Remain seated and supervised, younglings.
Broken Mercy. Man, Mercy broken. Okay, Zen ride. Zen POV. Let's see how this trick shot works.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Left pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. Only one pilot? You won't be able to steer with it. Watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? No gunners. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Left pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Zen ride.
There's the train. Come. Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
They're so fucking difficult. Oh, shit.
There it is. After that train. The pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
Oh no, I knew we're not gonna get this.
The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting.
What?
Good job, my friends.
How did we get it?
Yes.
How is it so
We got the
possible?
coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to that train. A gunship. That's ridiculous.
We're not gonna get it.
There's nothing get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retreat retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my honest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Not for Zen.
Time for you to go. Don't worry, payment is on the way. Trust me.
Grab all your belongings. Come on now. Right this way. Safe travels.
Thought it's going to be rough.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.